Diesel has never been a sustainable solution. There was no real alternative in the past. Today, especially with lithium-ion technology, you have an alternative. And lithium-ion technology has a performance comparable to an IC truck with better TCOs and lower emissions. If you can lower your carbon dioxide emission by more than 50% over the whole product life cycle, this is a dramatic change and it contributes to do a real sustainable business. Jungheinrich ranks among the world's leading solution providers in the intralogistics market. We are leading in electrically operated industrial trucks, in lithium-ion technology, and in automated solutions in the intralogistics market. Last year, in 2019, we reached a turnover of more than 4 billion euros with 18,000 team members worldwide. We are a family-owned and stock-listed company. From our point of view, sustainability is an economical, ecological, and social obligation for all companies and towards all stakeholders. So our industry has to have a major impact and also has to make a contribution to promote sustainable business. So we at Jungheinrich, we are driving, we are pushing sustainable business because we believe in it. It's creating value. The era of electromobility has already started in 1953 when Jungheinrich was founded. So our first truck, an electric forklift truck, is called Ameise 55. You can also say right from the start, electromobility was and always has been the core part of our DNA. The same applies to AGVs. The first AGV that we introduced to the market was called Ameise Truck. It was introduced already in 1962. Jungheinrich is leading with regard to lithium-ion technology, which is a superior technology to the IC, the industrial combustion technology, and also lead-acid technology.
97% of our produced trucks are electric. We are born electric and we try to move the future in that way. We were the first ones starting with lithium-ion. We were the first ones doing the new concept of machines. And lithium-ion is another step just for electrification, lead-acid, now lithium-ion, because this gives you a lot of more new possibilities.
In the forklift truck market, a battery has to be very reliable, it has to be cost efficient and energy efficient. The standard technology that has got lots of disadvantages, for example, this kind of battery has to be replaced every shift in order to go into multiple shift applications. Jungheinrich is developing and manufacturing lithium-ion batteries and chargers. These batteries have got a battery management system integrated. It is protecting against high currents, low temperatures, high temperatures, even overcharging. The main key benefits of the batteries we have developed are these batteries are maintenance-free and can be fast charged. We offered the first truck in 2011. That was the first one with an integrated battery. And right now we have several trucks on the market and we are planning on many more. Therefore, the customer not only gets the benefits of a lithium-ion battery, it gets the benefits of a totally new truck concept, which is only possible with this technology.
After, let's say, a life of a forklift truck, some parts are worn out, like bearings, like the battery, like maybe the motors, but the mast, the chassis, the counterweight, they are still perfect. So what we do is to refurbish the machine completely. It's not repairing that and that, but this is just redone, using the old chassis, the mast, and this leads to a significant reduction of CO2 because you give the truck a second life and you don't take any new resources. Our trucks are up to date even after 5 years.
Our trucks do have a second life, and also our batteries do have a second life. Maybe in the future they have a third life. Maybe this life is different to the life before. So you can use, of course, lithium-ion batteries, lithium-ion cells in a different way, as they have a longer lifetime. They are more powerful. They're intelligent. So there's many also business models that you can create and make use of with this kind of technology. There's many reasons why our customers demand automated solutions. The one is the lack of workers, of skilled workers, but there's other reasons like safety and of course efficiency. You apply automated solutions in a way that you first optimize your processes, you standardize processes, you harmonize processes, and then you automate those processes.
All over the world, our customers have the same challenges. They don't find enough experienced workers to fulfill the growing demand for the logistics. With automatic systems, you have the chance and you have an answer also to secure the supply chain and to secure the production also in times of crisis or in times of pandemics. This leads to a higher efficiency and then also to a reduction of the energy which is required to fulfill the task.
Automation contributes in many ways. You avoid unnecessary movements, you have fewer accidents, you have less waste, you have less energy consumption, so all in all, lower emissions and therefore a better sustainable approach.
In 2050, around 9.7 billion people will live on Earth, about 70% of them in cities. If we want to meet the increasing demand of this growing population successfully, and even more important, sustainably, the progressive automation of various life sectors is crucial. In cooperation with a partner, Jungheinrich has developed, designed, and implemented a fully automated vertical farm. The key factor here was to achieve and to enable sustainable efficiency, for instance, to reduce the consumption of fresh water, energy, or even soil significantly through intelligent solutions.
With regard to lithium-ion technology, we are certainly ahead of our major competitors. And of course, we want to keep that distance in the long run and over the next years. So this is why we're heavily pushing lithium-ion technology, automated guided vehicles or automated solutions as a whole. And as I said, we are highly investing into those technologies to keep the competitive edge and advantage and to fulfill our obligation with regard to sustainability.
Today you find one or other customer who is prepared to pay a bit more for being more sustainable, for getting more sustainable equipment, for getting more sustainable processes.
And the most important thing, we are offering a service for the whole system. And this is a 24-hour 7 service.
We want to be the far best in sustainability in logistics. Just to use this as a USP, just to have this USP, being better than the others, that's a challenge, and that's just great fun.